Hey guys, this is Saron and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting unboxing. Yo, when I made this purchase, I kind of like delayed it and I kind of was like, I'm gonna take my time with making the reveal because a lot of people, when I say a lot of people, I've got over 20 DMs in my Instagram with people asking me what was the purchase that I made. This was before I dropped my vlog video on when I was talking about a purchase that I made at Saint Laurent. That was the day when I posted a bunch of stories on my Instagram. A lot of people was like, what did you end up buying? What was it that you purchased? Like, you have to let us know. And I was like, okay, but wait for the unboxing because I kind of want to do a more detailed video and kind of explain to you guys what I ended up buying. But yeah, the response that I got like on Instagram was unexpected. I guess a lot of people are a fan of Saint Laurent, and I can't blame them. As a nice luxurious brand which has a lot of modern, it kind of speaks to a lot of young people like us, and it has like a really simple but basic, and it kind of like spicing up kind of items which I can relate to the Yves Saint Laurent store before. Mind you, it's like a new store in Zurich because it's been open for a year now. We've been there twice. My sister made a purchase back like I think 2-3 months ago, and that was like the kind of shopping experience that kind of changed my mind, that made me want to kind of invest my money in Saint Laurent too, because the staff there were really helpful, really nice assistant. So I was like, no brainer, I have to go back there and kind of look something for myself. So I've been saving up money and I kind of wanted to make a purchase on something that was gonna last me a while, something that's gonna be an added accessory, something that's gonna improve the style, personal style that I have. So when I went back there, I was kind of debating on two things, and a lot of people kind of were debating if I bought shoes, because I posted a story me wearing this Saint Laurent heels, which, to kind of disappoint you guys, I'm sorry to say this, but I didn't end up buying the heels. So I made a purchase on something else, which I'm gonna be revealing in 2 seconds. Let me get this. Oh, it's heavy. That kind of thing, like just for me to throw in a couple of things, some stuff in it. So they were kind enough to give me that, and it says Saint Laurent, and just gonna throw it there. Anyways, I'm gonna try to get the box now. Whew. We're here, fam. This is the packaging that they put it in. So as you guys can see, it's completely black. It's such a typical Saint Laurent packaging. They kind of wrapped it up really nicely. So any purchase that you might make at the Yves Saint Laurent, they will pack it well like this, like any other luxurious store. So it looks like this. On your receipt, they also put it in a nice envelope, and so you don't lose it. Anything that you purchase has like 2 years or more guarantee, so yeah, it's guaranteed. So I'm gonna open it like this because why not? Let me see if I can open the ribbon. Or I'm just gonna slide it in because I feel like I can slide it too. Don't mind me, my bottoms are my pajamas. Like, girls too lazy to be dressed up, and I'm just filming a video, so yeah. I'm wearing my pajama bottoms and it's hot as hell in here, so yeah. Anyways, so like I said, I removed the ribbon now. Just gonna remove the lid. This is also like a reveal to me too, because I didn't know like how they packed it. So it comes in like this paper wrapping thingy and has the logo on it too, like in matte black. It says Saint Laurent. And ooh la la. If you remove it, here it goes, and there's a duffel bag inside where the bag is in. Ooh, nice. Okay, I don't want to drop. So 2 million years later, like I said, they put it in a nice bag for me. Like any other luxurious brand, they give you a duffel bag so you can maintain your item, your object that you bought. Whew, that was a small peek. But yeah, it's red. If I can think of all the bags that I own in the top of my head, mostly black. So I kind of went out of my comfort zone because I really fell in love with this. They have, let me tell you, they have a lot of colors. They have a lot of colors to choose from, but I went for the red. So anyways, here we go. Ta-da! Yeah, girl. You see it, how well they packed it? Like, damn. So anyways, I'm gonna remove these things real fast and kind of talk about the bag in a bit. A tip to any new buyer, Like, it doesn't matter if you go to the fanciest of luxurious brands, always ask for an untouched one, like a brand new one where it's like packed, not in the where they have a display and not something they actually give to a customer to try on. Ask for a really wrapped up one, because you're making a huge purchase, you're investing your money, and you deserve to have an untouched one. So that's my tip. That's like, I didn't know that until my sister pointed out, because yeah, you're investing a whole lot of money into this purchase, so you kind of, well, might ask for an untouched one. So they put it in this bubble wrap thingy, so the chain doesn't get damaged. Ooh, even the inside has like bubble wraps. That's hella nice. Anyways, that was the last piece, so I'm just gonna hold it like this so you guys can see. So I got the Yves Saint Laurent Sunset Medium in crocodile embroidered Johnny leather. It's in the color Euros Red. So it looks like this. Like I said, like I mentioned in my reasons of why I bought it, I haven't seen a lot of people with this bag, and when I saw it, I immediately knew that it was something that I wanted to have, and it's kind of like one of their recent releases. Anyways, it's red and it has silver chain, and the details on this bag is incredible. I just cannot wait to wrap it. Like I said, it has like a handle right here. You can wear it in a multi ways. You can wear it crossbody, you can wear it all over the shoulder, you can wear it into straps like this, and you can shorten it and like have it long, and however you prefer. The reason that I like this bag was, like, you know me, I always carry small bags. I don't go for bigger bags because, like I said, I don't carry a lot of items. When I go out, I just usually have my ID, my credit card, my card, my transport card and stuff like that, bit of cash and my phone, and that's about it. I don't try to put a lot of things in my bag, like unnecessary things that might mess up my bag. So, but with this one, it's a medium size, as you guys can see. Even if you get it like in small, it has a lot of compartments. Let me just open it up. Let me show you guys. This one's also in a clip, so you kind of clip it. Has a lot of departments, which made me fall in love with it. It has 2 bigger compartments and a small one. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has the Yves Saint Laurent logo right here. It says Saint Laurent Paris, and they also have some paper protecting the inside of the bag, just to kind of hold the form. And I'm just gonna remove some of them so you guys can see the inside. It has like this like kind of like not shiny, but kind of velvety textured interior. And it has another pocket right here. Oh, cute. Okay. It has something right there. I'm just gonna check it out what it is. Oh, okay. So, and they also have the envelope right inside. It's just a detail about the bag. Like any other luxurious bags, they also have the details of the bag, what kind of leather they used and stuff like that. So you kind of can look up the reference. So I'm gonna remove the protective papers thing so you guys can see it without it. So like I said, it has 3 compartments, 2 big ones and a small one. So this one can probably hold your phone. The inside can hold a lot of things. The reason that attracted me to this bag was the fact that it has a lot of compartments and that I can fit in a lot of things than I usually carry. And it also has another pocket at the back, which you can also put in your phone in there. So like I said, with this purchase, I was really careful with what I wanted. This is my first Yves Saint Laurent purchase. I never like bought anything from them before, and I am a happy consumer when it comes to buying this bag. I'm gonna read you guys the description that it has on this Saint Laurent page. It says here, the monogram Saint Laurent bag with front flap, adored with a side gush chain and leather strap that can be worn crossbody or doubled on the shoulder, a leather encrusted key ring, and interlock YSL signature in metal. So that's the description that they have for it. Like I said, it comes in multi-colors. I'm gonna mention the colors that it comes in. It comes in black, it comes in deep green, it comes in dark legend red, okay, it comes in a dusty gray, it comes in the Garant. Oh, that one I also tried before I even decided for this one. It comes in the Euro red, which I have. It comes in fog, which is this gray charcoaly color. vintage. It's 100% calfskin leather. It's suede interior. Okay, the interior is suede, it's not velvety, so okay, sorry about that. It has a magnet snap closure, it does. The knuckle is hardware. It comes in interior slot pocket, and the style ID I'm gonna put in the description box for you guys, and it's made in Italy. So like I said, this is the Yves Saint Laurent purchase that I made. I'm a happy consumer. I'm so happy with this bag. I feel like I can wear it in a lot of different ways. I can even have it like I can wear it in a really casual way, or wear it in a really fancy dress up event if you're invited to one. But I have a bunch of ideas on how to style this, and I'm so excited to just see how this one goes, because like you know, I take my time when it comes to investing in luxurious brands. I don't impulse buy things. I take my time and I kind of like think about things that I want, if it's necessary for me to have them, or how it would improve the personal style that I have. So a really exciting purchase that I'm so happy to add to my collection. It's so funny because yesterday I kind of ran into my friend and we were talking on the train, and we were talking about our school days and how I was not a bag person. Like, she used to love bags, like especially luxurious bags, and I was the opposite. I used to tell her like, yo, I'm not investing my money in it. But the more older that I got, the more I started like thinking about my personal style and stuff like that. I've noticed that what kind of bags that I wanted to invest in, gravitating towards luxurious brands. So like you guys know, I have a bag from Gucci, I have a bag from Louis Vuitton, and I have a bag now from Yves Saint Laurent. I don't know what my next purchase might be. I wanted to invest in shoes, but I have not found shoes that kind of sparked interest, like the kind of shoes that I want to see myself in. So that's why I also, like when I was at the Saint Laurent store, I tried a bunch of heels, but I have a lot of sandal heels which I am really comfortable in wearing. So like if I'm gonna make a purchase when it comes to a designer shoes, I kind of want them to speak different language to me, like when it comes to like improving my personal style. So that's why I ended up buying a bag again, because this can really spice up an outfit. If you're wearing, let's say, all black, or you're just wearing a casual baggy jeans and a white t-shirt, you can add this to it and you're just good to go, honey. Like, there's nothing that you can actually do wrong when it comes to having a statement bag. So that's why I always try to like improve my style, or try to add something that would kind of improve and kind of go with my personal style. I've said personal style a bunch of times, if you can count it. I'm so sorry for that. But anyways, this is the bag that I ended up buying. I'm sorry for like killing you with the suspense of what I was purchasing from the Saint Laurent store. I just kind of wanted to do the unboxing on film and trying to do a video on it, speaking on details about it, so you guys know, or if you guys are also interested in making your first purchase when it comes to a Saint Laurent bag, how the experiences can go and how you can make the right purchase and the right investment. So anyways, I'm gonna start rambling because I tend to ramble a lot. So yeah, anyways, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what it is that is like something that you really want to invest in. Is it shoes? Is it bags? Is it properties? Is it cars? And you're trying to decide what you kind of want to invest your money in. Let me know, because I feel like sometimes people, my subscribers, people that actually do watch my videos, tend to feel more comfortable in talking to me on Instagram, which I don't mind at all. I love talking to you guys, but you can also leave me a comment down below on my videos so we can actually discuss. I do reply, mind you. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to hit this video with a like, and I'll see you guys when I see you in a new video real soon. Bye.